D'accord, d'accord, ça va.
Arrête de me rouler, je vais t'éclater.
A van driver loses his patience after bikers tailgate him for a long time. His frustration quickly escalates into a heated road rage incident.
Oh, ça va, qu'est-ce qu'il y a?
Dis à tes collègues qu'ils arrêtent de faire les vols, je vais tous vous enculer un pareil, qu'est-ce qu'il y a?
D'accord, ça va.
Arrête de me rouler, je vais t'éclater.
Wow.
Casse-toi.
Oh, c'est bon, t'arrêtes, c'est bon.
Faites attention.
C'est bon.
Je vais vous enculer.
A dangerous moment unfolds when a car suddenly cuts in front of a rider, putting his life at risk. The rider refuses to let this slide and decides to confront the driver.
You don't pull out in front of someone like that. I could have just died.
You're behind the truck.
Alright, well you need to look. I understand it's hard to see bikes, but you really can't just like pull out like that. Alright, I apologize you. I appreciate you apologizing. Thank you.
I didn't see you.
It's okay, thank you.
Another driver aggressively tries to squeeze in front of a rider.
What the f are you doing? You! No, I'm turning around.
The rider, unwilling to back down, turns around to confront him.
What the f was that? What the f was that? What are you doing? Idiot! What you f***ing didn't? You pulled out your f***ing tosspot! Absolute f***ing tosspot! Honestly! Mate, your dad drives like a f***ing kid! Oh f***ing man! Open your eyes! Kid!
A simple hand gesture ignites a fiery exchange between a rider and a driver after the driver shows the middle finger.
What?
Thing on me?
What, mate?
Did you put thing on me?
No! Why would I do that? You just kind of just overtook the corner and I just didn't realise you were there.
I swear to God, my mom live.
Mate, I'm sorry. I don't mean to cause any conflict. It's just he came around the corner quite quick.
Don't put a finger like this because I didn't do nothing. I opened the lights.
I didn't do anything like that, mate. Like, I didn't do anything like that at all. It wasn't
Big man, if you live here, I live here as well.
Okay, I didn't put the middle finger off you.
I live here
mate,
as
can
well.
you please go away from me? Can I have some space, please? I don't really appreciate this right now.
If you don't appreciate, don't put a finger because I'll smash your face right now.
You're really gonna threaten me on camera?
I'm not threatening you.
Mate, you just literally said put my face. You're going on YouTube, bro. If you carry this on.
I don't care.
You do care because you might lose your job. Your family's gonna hate you. It's not recommended.
But did you put a finger on me or no? Yes or no?
No, I did not, brother. I did not.
No.
No. No.
Alright, say hello to your YouTube channel.
Will do, mate.
Distracted driving is a deadly habit. A vigilant rider spots a driver using his phone behind the wheel and steps in to remind him of the rules.
Okay, two things, alright?
Yeah.
Number one, you're on the phone, you swerved in my lane, I revved, you noticed I was there, you moved over. The second thing, don't pull up next to a bike like this, okay? A lot of people will take your mirror off. I'm not going to, but just be careful. Alright?
A car slightly clips a rider from the left, but the driver's reaction is nothing short of unexpected, and even hilarious.
What the hell are you doing? Michelle, what was that all about? What was that all about?
Which one?
Well, you overtook me. You nearly got me with your mirror.
Wait.
Just a minute ago. Seriously.
No, you were nowhere near me.
No, really.
What
You
did
nearly
you
touched my
want?
mirror.
Oh,
Well, I can see your drive of that mirror broken.
Oh, I see.
I see you got a van, you know, for disabled. Just try not to make any more disabled on the road, you know.
Disabled.
Yeah, by the look of it.
The body is.
Oh, okay, fair enough. Yeah, have a good day. Jesus Christ.
A high-speed overtake leaves a driver startled. His fear turns into confrontation, but this time, the conversation takes a surprising turn.
I ride too. I just want you to know you scared the shit out of me. So when you
Did I?
You scared the shit out of me.
Did I?
Yeah, but don't worry about it. It's okay. I'm just saying, know that you're doing that to people because it was enough, man, that I ride myself. What the
It's the exhaust, huh?
Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah.
Know that.
I apologize, man.
Oh, man.
Hey, it's better to be loud and safe though than people not see you, but I'm sorry I scared you. I understand that.
Just like I said.
Yeah.
Because that's a cool bike and I'm talking. You got a nice BMW.
Thanks, man. Sorry, bro.
Just FYI, that guy's kind of fun to talk to.
Yeah. I like this. What, you live out of this, or?
No, we just ride and do. Go ahead,
Yeah.
man.
All right, have a good one.
A group of bikers find themselves under attack by an angry farmer after unintentionally riding onto his private property.
You guys are riding on my property, alright? Both of them. I'm sick of it. Where are you guys from? I ain't telling you. You guys are tearing the shit out of my farm back here. You guys better stay off.
I've never rode here.
Huh?
I've never rode here.
Well, just stay off my property.
I just got the bike.
Get out of here. Hey, bro, let's get the frick out of here. Don't get freaking tore up, punk.
Why you gonna throw a bottle at me?
Get out of here. Come on, bro. Get out of here.
A woman steps in to warn a rider about reckless riding, leading to a heated debate on road safety.
You guys get hit, dude.
Were you honking at me?
No, I have people who ride bikes. You shouldn't do that.
Yeah, but I did.
I know, but what if I was some asshole that just decided to hit you?
But you're not fast enough to hit me. Unless, like, we're sitting there and you run me over while we're sitting there.
That just gives all of you a bad name. That just makes you look like an asshole.
Yeah, but see, the thing is I'm way faster than you, so in no way did I inconvenience you. How did I inconvenience you? How did I inconvenience you?
You didn't, honey. All I do.
Okay, that's what I thought. Have a nice day.
A simple mistake turns into a full-blown misunderstanding when a rider accidentally touches a car's rear tire. The confused driver isn't sure how to react.
What's that?
That's my foot, sorry, dude.
No, where's your number plate? You hit the car.
My foot hit your tyre,
It
dude.
wasn't, the whole car moved.
Yeah, my foot hit your tyre. My foot hit your tyre, man.
Alright, I'll check. I'll take a photo of your number plate. Go forward a bit.
Pardon?
If you go forward a bit, I'll take a photo.
You go off, mate. Oh, I only hit your tyre, dude.
Go forward.
I only hit your tyre. I'll show you.
Go
I'll
forward.
show you.
Go forward. Go
Right
forward.
there.
Go forward. If you've got nothing
It's only
to
your
hide.
tyre, mate.
If there's nothing to hide, go
I
forward.
haven't got the hide. I just don't like you taking photos of me, mate, because I don't know what you're going to use it for.
Just
I hit your
go forward.
tyre.
Go forward.
Have a look at your car. Look, there's nothing on your car, dude. I hit my foot right here. That's all. My foot hit your tyre, mate. Alright?
That's okay.
Yeah.
No
We're all
worries.
good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No worry. If there's
So what
nothing
you
to
make, when
hide-
you take off from now, right, you can make up that I've hit your car.
No, it won't.
Grab my phone. Grab my phone. My phone. My phone. Dude. Yeah, you're making a situation out of nothing, mate. So you take off now and you scam me, mate. Simple
No,
as that.
Take a photo of it. I want you to take a photo of it.
Yeah, I've got my proof, mate.
That's okay. Take
It's
a
all
photo.
good, dude. I don't know what.
Good to take a photo too.
I just don't like you accusing me shit never happened, nor do I know what you're going to do, mate. Hey, mate, you could take off and someone hit you and then you're going to blame me, mate.
No, look, it's fair. You take a photo, I take a photo.
Do you understand what I'm saying?
I understand 100%.
Yeah, explain what happened, mate.
I understand 100% what you're saying, but fair's fair.
It
If
is
there's
fair.
nothing that's there, no problems. You've got a dash cam.
You
too,
created
so
a problem. Exactly
I
right
haven't
here, mate. You created a
100%.
problem by taking something out of it and making it.
Look,
For all I know is you're going to take off and take damage to someone else, mate. I'll speak to you later then, eh? Yeah. Dog cunt.
An elderly man disapproves of bikers pulling wheelies and isn't afraid to voice his frustration.
Die ene Strom ab,
Wieso?
dass eins einen Kring bekommst, richtig.
Wegen?
Weil du dann nachher eine dumme Schnorre haben beim Durchfahren.
Du hast mir gar nicht gesagt.
Nein, ich habe nichts gehört. He.
Ja, gar nicht gesagt.
Das hat ja nicht umgekehrt jetzt.
Ja, der hat so gemacht.
Ja, ist nur der sicher Seite.
Ja, wieso?
Frag nicht blöd, sonst zieht der Helm doch noch ab. Ob der Film ist oder nicht.
A rider loses his temper after encountering a reckless car driver, leading to an intense confrontation.
Yeah, mate, you went over a white line. Solid line, mate.
You've got to do that. You've no way to turn right in that roundabout. You have to change lanes.
You're in the inside lane. If you want to go straight, mate, you go on the left lane.
You have to change lanes. Go look at it again, mate. You've got to turn right in that lane. You've got to go to the left.
Not arguing with you, dude.
And I heard you gun it, mate. Don't be a
Gun it?
Mate,
How's that gun it?
Right, I have my indicator on. You knew I was getting into that.
See that? Good one, mate.
Okay, mate. All right, go back to the ship box.
Yeah, good on you, champ. I can't hear you, mate. I can't hear you. What?
Don't run like a dickhead.
A dickhead. I'll turn the corner normally, mate, and accelerated. What's it?
I'm allowed to turn. Right?
Yeah, yeah.
And then
You're in the inside lane, though, mate.
Mate, you can't because you
over a solid white line.
Mate, you dickhead.
Hey.
Turn around, mate.
Hey.
I'll fucking break your neck. All right.
Oh, is that right?
Mate.
Okay.
Don't look.
All right.
You can't turn right in the far left lane.
All right. Okay, thanks, mate.
Go and have a look.
I will. Thanks for education, man.
Go look, mate.
I will.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Sorry.
Are you indicated to turn left?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, mate. No worries, dude. You have a good day.
Yeah, come on. Please do something dumb. What's your problem?
Everybody wants to look out for motorcycles and you run through fucking traffic like you're...
You know what's funny? If you would have actually looked, you would have seen I signaled to the left and she gave me a nod to get over.
Right.
Yeah. Now you feel dumb, don't you? And if you really want, I can review this and you can watch me go, hey, and she goes, okay, come over.
You're too high tech for me.
Oh, I'm too high tech for you? Well, how about you grow some fucking nuts then? You want to act tough, but then you act like a pussy when you get out the car. You're a pussy, bro. Hey, go watch my YouTube.
A driver aggressively overtakes a rider, setting off a chain reaction of fury.
Thanks for that pass, jackass. Hey. Dude, the camera right here. Try it. Got your license plate.
When the tables turn and the rider
Right here.
overtakes the car, he
Right
takes
here.
his revenge by smashing the driver's mirror before speeding away.
It's all right here.
A near collision occurs when a cyclist recklessly cuts in front of a motorcycle at a blind corner. What follows is a heated exchange of words.
It'd be highly advisable if you don't cross on a fucking blind corner. It doesn't matter, it's a blind fucking corner. I could be going the speed limit and you could be right fucking there. Cross over there. If I would have hit you, it would have been your fucking fault. You. That would have been your fucking fault. It doesn't fucking matter. I don't care if you're a medicine or not. Cross on the fucking right side. Go over there and go around. Go over there and go around. Yeah, kiss it. I hope you fucking die.
Video 16. Amidst all the chaos, a moment of kindness emerges as a rider stops to save a helpless bird trapped in a plastic bag.
Let's get it. I've got gloves. Let's see. Poor guy. There we go. Good job.
Reckless driving once again takes center stage as a rider confronts a van driver for endangering lives on the road.
You're on camera. You cut me off on that roundabout, mate. You can straight on that roundabout. You come flying through on the wrong lane. So I've got it on camera.
Oh, did I really?
Yeah, I'm reporting it to Nottingham City Homes, mate.
Oh, I'm sorry, mate. I didn't realise.
Wait, how can you not realise you cut straight across 3 lanes?
I didn't realise.
And you didn't even have an indicator on. I've got all on that, mate.
I appreciate
Yeah.
that. I wouldn't do it on purpose, mate.
But, right, if that's the case then, I understand.
I'm really
Yeah,
sorry,
yeah,
mate.
come on.
I really
Yeah,
am. I
just
apologise.
watch what you're doing
I'm
next,
not
because
like
if
that.
I was in the bit to the right, I'd have got taken out.
Alright, I never even, I never even saw you, mate.
Right,
So, yeah.
okay, well, I'll let you off, yeah? Just watch out next time, yeah? Right, take a nice day, yeah?
A peaceful ride is interrupted when a bird starts attacking a rider's helmet, again and again.
Pretty persistent. Within a few weeks though, her young would have left the nest and everything will return back to normal.
A battle for space erupts as a cyclist and a driver clash over lane rights, leading to yet another heated argument.
Bike lane! Use your eyes! You're blocking the bike lane, I went around you. What's your problem?
Back in my car.
You bank.
Move! Bastard!
You off, get the back in your car. Prick. SM65 JCB.
A rider pushes his limits while cornering, but disaster strikes when his front tire slips, sending him crashing to the ground.
Yeah, I'm fine. Just want to make sure my bike's alright. Oh, I'm fine. I'm fine. Yeah, I'm fine. Just mirror.
That's it for today. Remember, always ride safe and stay responsible on the road. Don't forget to subscribe for more thrilling content. See you in the next one.